Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to February 16th, 2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar. Today's activity is Family Cooking Day, a chance to cook together and enjoy the joy of teamwork and creativity. Let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a recipe like something simple and fun, homemade pizza, a salad or pancakes with toppings. Step 2. Gather ingredients, tools, and work as a team to organize everything, teaching kids the importance of preparation. Step 3. Younger kids can wash veggies or measure ingredients, older kids can chop or knead, and parents handle supervision and safety. Step 4. Cook together and enjoy the process. Share stories, play music, or tell jokes while learning basic cooking skills. Step 5. Set the table together with a special touch. Sit down to savor your meal, celebrate your teamwork, and share what you enjoyed or learned. Let's see what you experienced and learned today. Teamwork. Cooking strengthens collaboration and bonds. Culinary skills. Everyone learns new cooking techniques. Family Cooking Day is a delicious way to build connections and create cherished memories. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.